wanted to let you know that this week's video is a political timeout. I held off because I thought I was attending a local GOP meeting tonight that I wanted to show you. It was an event where they were gonna teach people and get people signed up to be poll watchers and managers and stuff, but unfortunately it's been canceled because the employees of the location all came down with COVID. So I think it's been rescheduled. But anyway, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on this week, and I can't say it because apparently I'm the only one on this earth that still has a YouTube channel up. So I want to try to keep it. I'm in the back of the truck right now. We're on our way to Bluffton, and so many of you know why I have to ride in the back. But anyway, keep watching because I think I'll be doing some live with people that will be out in South Dakota, and it'll be really interesting. But anyway, I did a couple of things last week. Diane had a memorial for our dear friend Carol, and I went to a beautiful dinner party with my new friend and partner on this political scene, and I can't wait for y'all to meet her. But and so it was the biggest rainstorm ever, and her poor husband was grilling out. So anyway, I thought I'd just put that up for you to try to keep our minds off of what else is going on. But stay tuned because I have a feeling this is going to be a really good week. Hey everybody, I'm at Diane's, and she is having a memorial for our dear friend Carol Davidson, who died about a year ago, and so I just got here a little early to help her do, and it's going to be very nice and sweet and bittersweet and all that kind of stuff, but nice to get together with all of her girlfriends from the neighborhood and just tell Carol stories, because she had some good ones.
Tomatoes a lot, and I put up tomatoes in the summer.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. You can think this is a hen question, because it is. And anyway, every time I just...
But since it fell into my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call. Good night and joy be to you all. So fill to me the parting glass and drink a health whate'er befalls. Then gently rise and softly call. Good night and joy be to you all.
Aww. You are loved and missed, Carol. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Diane.
The parting glass.
Yeah. Lovely.
Very apt for her.
Hey guys. On the way home from Carol's memorial, and I just thought this was so pretty. I would show you.
No.
Here's a South Carolina storm.
But I wasn't ready.
I don't want to get
My little
that,
172 over here.
but I will for you.
I got a 2500 on it.
Hold on. Okay.
26 there.
You guys,
Unreal.
Ron, is dinner ready yet?
No. Come on, get on.
What happened?
Does anyone want to go get it?
Does my hair look frizzy?
When you go get dinner, it's going to be real frizzy.
Oh my God.
Where's your...
When we
Wait,
look on
where's
our
the...
phones, when we look on our phones, we show all this moving north, you never know. Come back on it. Right?
Alright, I never figured out what I got about.
My cow pep, honey.
Oh, he can't do no, just wait.
Oh my God, I'm getting so wet.
You burn. That's why
You already got it on?
yeah, that's why I put a roof over that.
Where's the
I
umbrella?
used to
got
have
an
an umbrella right there.
umbrella.
My darling wife.
Well, I'm sure you got another one in the house.
No.
Where's that?
Stand by. One, two,
Help you coming. Right.
Oh, this will be good. He probably can't even get the umbrella. He'll be back up here. Okay, good, honey.
Are you braving the
Good.
weather? Are you with that little thing?
Go on.
Holy cow. I mean,
Can you imagine these two big
it's like a
boys?
22 in a combat zone.
No, the two of us can't get under this one.
That's the littlest umbrella I've ever seen.
The two of us couldn't sit under it.
Right, no. That's
Well,
a
how is he
baby
going to
umbrella.
carry the salmon and the umbrella?
That one was fitting. Yeah, the two of us wouldn't have put under there anyway.
Mike's balding.
What do we have to throw down to him?
The umbrella.
I gave him the umbrella. Yeah, because that way he can do this, you know.
Yeah. He's combat baby. He's not shell.
Oh, Ron. I'm sorry, but you own a golf course, right? But you don't have a golf umbrella? Because that's the dinkiest little umbrella.
Dinkiest umbrella I've ever seen.
I have a big one, but I don't know where it is.
It's much more clear, but
You had a nice dinner party.
our milk candidate, not this person. These are our
So
milk
pretty.
candidate, sexual offensive.
Thank you for having us. Very, very nice.
And it's